Want to back up your Shopify theme or make custom edits safely? Today, I'll show you how to download your Shopify theme code step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start by logging into your Shopify account and navigate to the online store section in the left-hand menu. Click Themes to open your theme management page. Here you'll see your current theme along with a Customize button. Next, click the three dots next to the Customize button. From the drop-down menu, select Download Theme File. Shopify will compile your theme and prompt you with a pop-up confirming the email address linked to your account. Click Send Email. Finally, check your inbox. Shopify will send a link to download your theme file. Follow the instructions to save it safely to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Shopify theme code, keeping a backup ready for customizations or future updates.